One of the more interesting and often not talked about credit card benefit is the Bank of America Museum on Us program. Basically, any Bank of America credit card or debit card holders can get into a participating museum for free during the first weekend of the month. So that's only for the first Saturday and Sunday of every month. Today we're visiting the Discovery Cube OC in Santa Ana, and it specifically states that it's only free for the first Sunday of the month. So always double check the website and the facility before you head over there. I'll include the website below so you can look up which of the 225 museums across the country participates in the program. You have to bring a physical Bank of America credit card or debit card with a valid photo ID to get in. So I've been turned away when I only had a digital card in my Apple Pay wallet, so I highly recommend bringing the physical card. Since it's only free for the card holder, you want to make sure that everyone that is going to the museum have their own card and bring their own driver's license or photo ID to match. Many of the Bank of America credit cards actually have no annual fees. In fact, one of my oldest credit card is the Bank of America credit card that I've held for more than 12 years. The Discovery Cube OC in Santa Ana is open every single day from 10 to 5 p.m. The admission is a bit pricey at $20 per adult and $15 per kids 14 and under. They have an up-to-date calendar you can check out to see any upcoming special exhibits and events, and those do cost extra. And from what I can tell, they seem to be open most holidays. They do have 2 floors worth of exhibits, and they say it's fun for kids of all ages. But we did feel like kids in middle school and up might not find all those activities that exciting. And we noticed a couple of exhibits were closed for refurbishment, and some of the computer-related activities were down as well. So we visited after lunch, and we were out of there before 3 o'clock. They did do a good job of following local health and hygiene protocols when we were visiting. With that said, I was worried that we were coming on a day when people who have the Bank of America credit card can get it for free. So it's very likely that there'll be lots of crowd and it can be really busy. But it turns out not to be the case. It was actually very spacious, not a lot of people, and we didn't really have to wait for any of the activities. Do it again. Overall, I do like what the Discovery Cube has to offer for my kid. I feel like a toddler needs to get his hand on new sensation and experience new activities, but it is on the pricey side. So I don't know if I see myself coming here without the Bank of America offer. Parking is $6 and the annual parking permit is only $15. So if you're coming more than twice, then make sure you hold on to your parking ticket since you can use it to upgrade toward the annual parking permit. One of the highlights for our son is definitely the physics lab, where he got to make a car right after he saw a video on YouTube from Blippi who did the same thing. And at the time of the recording, the adult admission is $19.95 and kids 14 and younger is $14.95. So again, if you're coming more than twice a year, then you should definitely look into the annual membership, which is only $79 for one adult and one kid. So what do you think of the Bank of America Museum on Us program? Have you been to any museum for free using the benefit? Let me know in the comment down below. Also, do you know any other cool, quirky, interesting credit card benefits? Let me know down below. See you guys next time. Bye.